Hello Garage has arrived. The before.
It's gonna be a beige base.
Exactly. So this puts quite a nice texture on the floor after you grind it down. It'll grind down the epoxy solution that they poured in there once it's dried. Getting ready to put the coating on. Going quicker than we all imagined. Let's say it looks really clean. Another multi-part emulsion or mixture.
Yeah, it's always two-part.
Two-part.
Should you fast or slow?
Let's do the first one slow. So if we have some time to, reach it. We got the paintbrushes.
Yeah.
Sí, puedes poner el cronómetro por 2 minutos.
So you mix this up in small batches?
Gallon by gallon.
Gallon by gallon, okay. What is the overlap time you can work with it?
Oh, it does. So this is slow here, so it takes like half an hour, 45 minutes.
Oh, okay. So you don't have to worry about rushing it through, huh?
No.
Okay.
And then we use this around the edge. We use slow around the edge, and then we use fast on the other.
Just like painting, do the edges first, right?
Yeah. Okay.
You good?
2 minutes now. Yeah. You wanna go right or left? Whatever. Go right.
All right. And the coating begins. He's getting a notification on his phone, email, text, or something that flashes.
Or whatever, you know what I mean?
Talking about artificial
That's gonna be wild.
intelligence taking over this task. Well, you know, maybe some robot in the future with artificial intelligence will say, "Hey, dummy, just put in a new floor." We'll do a cost analysis for you. Go all the way around the perimeter. I'm going to go out front. Is this the same coating that you put on the entire floor too before the flakes?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So polyspark.
Yeah. It's not epoxy.
Got the edges all done.
Yes.
Now we just need to fill in the middle. The white part A, I assume.
Yeah. You're gonna roll this one so you only gotta roll one leg, right? And then go the other way, you gotta roll two legs. I see what you're doing.
So you have cleats. I imagine it'd be very slippery if you didn't use spikes, huh?
Yeah. Well, once you get used to them,
All right. Here we go. Dragonfly just flew in the garage and looked around and flew back out.
Bugs love this stuff for some reason.
Oh yeah? Like one color better than another?
No, I think it's the smell.
Yeah. Getting your steps in today. Right before our eyes, just transitioning into a smooth finish.
See where it goes from there.
Is the finished floor flammable in any way?
What this is cured is done.
Okay. Isn't that something, Diane? Hello. Spiked shoes, can you tell? So it gets spread out and then rollered. Make sure it gets in all the little nooks and crannies, the textured area of the concrete since it was ground down.
Mine gets hot when I charge it.
Does the screen get darker when that happens?
Yeah, iPhone does. Yeah,
Okay.
that happened with my phone.
Makes it more difficult to,
Yeah.
to record video. It doesn't affect the quality of the video, it just the view. It's trying to reduce the heat produced so it doesn't damage the circuits. Maybe it would help if I had a white cover. A little too much. Not a lot, though.
Here, push it over.
I don't know why it is, but every time I have a project here, someone next door is using noisy equipment. They've been cutting down a tree next door, and now I think they're limbing it up to haul it off. So that's not part of their work here. Last little spot of bare concrete. Here it goes. All covered. The fun part. Tossing the flakes. It's almost like feeding the chickens.